Hi, so I've just come out to shoot another video because the video I did earlier of the utility cabinet I didn't like, so I've done it again. So you'll see the canvas is already up, but I'm going to go through these. So you just push these buttons in, pop them open. Then we have a fly screen that we can put out for under the awning, and a bag of poles, which I think would be for the window poles or the awning. But there's also the other separate bag for the annex. We'll go through that in the next video. Here we have the utility cabinet. So we push the blue button down in the corner and pull that out. We have that one there that we use to wind the feet. Crossbar. Fire extinguisher, jack winder. We have a hammer and our power cord. So if you're going to a powered site, you can connect the battery at the end and keep it together. Use that, so we've got a little container here with some extra grub screws, spare toe ball, bucket. There's some pegs in the bucket, and dust paint and brush. We have LED lights. We've got the Kings. So we'll have a play around them when I do the night video. Don't know which part that's going to be. Alright, so Toby's actually loaded me up with like 4 of them. And we have blanket solar panels, which have everything in here to connect to the battery. We have some instructions on the door, that's for the annex. We also have a blue folder in here that's got some instructions in as well. But I'm actually working on a welcome kit. It's going to have quite a bit of information in it, and printed out and in a folder as well. So that will be coming soon. There we go, there's the utility cabinet. So if you need to put anything else in here, you can. Just make sure to take it out when you return the camper trailer. There we go. Ta-da! Hi, so Rebecca here again. So this is part 2. Today I'm going to be flipping the cover over and starting to rectify the camper trailer tent on top of the camper. As I don't know if you can see it in this video here, and at the end of part 1 I mentioned about making sure that is level, and you may need to drop the front a little bit after setting it up. So on this particular camper, one of the bubbles is actually cracked, the one that levels it that way, but once you've got it balanced this way here, just stand back and have a look at the level going front to back before you start pitching the cover. Otherwise you could be making things a little bit harder for yourself. Yeah, so I'm just going to do that now. So I'm pretty happy now with the level of the camper trailer and with it being flat. I also have my son racing around on a little tricycle this morning, so you probably would have seen him just come past. So yes, now let's start with the next bit. So there's 6 clips around the sides and across the back that you need to undo. I'm also going to lift the back of the cover a little bit after I clip on the belt. So one thing I suggest doing before flipping over your cover and starting to rectify the canvas is take out the jerry can, because once, if you don't have a tap, you're not going to be able to get the jerry can out unless you flip the cover back over. Same if there's a toolbox in there, make sure you take the annex out first, or anything in that toolbox that you need, because we are looking at putting toolboxes in here. So yes, remove items from the front. The owner of MDC has done demos as well on how to put this up. He uses what he calls a spreader bar, which I think is actually one of the window poles. There could be a spreader bar somewhere, I'm not sure, but in this case I'm using this one here. So the guy suggested to me to prop the back up a little bit before winding it with a stick or a pole or something. So in this case, this is what I'm using. So there we go. As that comes down, obviously gravity is going to take over. Make sure you get your head out your way like I did, or have someone on the side if you got someone else with you to help support it and catch it and grab it, or just, if you can't, you're just going to have to let it drop. So I wouldn't try and catch all that. It is quite heavy and the metal can actually get quite hot as well, so you don't want to burn your hands. So there we go. Now for the next bit. I actually left the keys inside my house, so I'll just get those. There we go. MDC tag there. No phone number. Oh yes, 1300 4x4 4x4. Just in case you have troubles and you can't get hold of us. But please do try to call us first if you have any troubles while setting up your camper. We have a triangle key and some other random keys. There's locks and everything. But let's go take a look at the inside. Put these in my pocket. So here's a door. The door is on the passenger side of your vehicle on the left. So here we are. We've got some poles in here already. that are for helping prop up the camper. So we've got a bar that comes up here. So, and that triangle key is for the door. So you can have a look over. It's just a basic swivel lock. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's two. And there we go, that comes down. Now you might, oh, what is this? Is this a step in the door? Does that, I need two hands, I think. Can you leave my camera? Alright, let's have a look here. Oh, nice. There we go. We have some steps. You're going in there. Put these in my pocket before my son loses them. I'll take these sunnies off my head. Oh, big steps. Good work, yeah. All right. I've got a feeling this is going to take me a little bit with him. Oh, he's loving it already. Look at him go. In and out, in and out. He's almost 2. In love with steps and water and bikes and cars at the moment. So, can Mum come inside? He's going to be in and out of this all day, I think. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay. So we've got a massive U-shaped bar going over the top. It does look like it extends. Maybe. It's got a winder here. So, probably should have watched Toby's video this morning, but I haven't. I'm trying to remember this off the top of my head and work it out myself. Alright, you sit here. He's dancing in there. Okay. So you can see one here. There's a U-bar that's got to stand up in there. I'm trying to work out how I'll video that and do it at the same time without my son grabbing the video. Hi, Paxton. Can you stay there? Can you stay right there? You want to go ride your bike?